Hey guys, hi, my name is Kevin Shah, and today I'm going to teach you all how to make your own solo body percussion rhythms. So, for those who don't know, body percussion is basically using your body to create sounds and using those sounds to create different rhythms. So, like how I just did something like this and it sounded so cool, that's exactly what body percussions is. Now, to make your own solo body percussion rhythms, you're going to need three names. And they're going to be dessert names. Why? Because I love desserts, you love desserts, everyone loves desserts. So, yeah, three names are going to be cake, waffles, and tiramisu. Cake, waffles, tiramisu. You know what? I think I'm hungry. I'm going to eat some cake and I'm coming back. Bye. I was just doing musty. Mama doesn't let me eat cake. No, she does. Okay, but let's get started, okay? So now, whenever Kevin says cake, I want everyone to clap. So, cake, done. Now, let's look at tiramisu. For tiramisu, I want everyone to go chest, lap. So, tiramisu. Can we do it? Tiramisu. Cool. And now for waffles, I want you all to snap your fingers. So waffles. Can we try doing that? Let's try doing that. Waffles. But for some of y'all it might be difficult to snap your fingers. So that is okay. You know what I want you all to do? I want you all to take your lap and 1, 2. So keep this hand up in the air and just go 1, 2. Can you do that? And that'll be waffles for y'all. So waffles. That's it. So people who can snap, please snap. People who cannot can do waffles like this. Yeah. Okay. So everyone, cake, tiramisu, and waffles or waffles. Got it? Yay! Now you've learned how to make your rhythms. You don't need me anymore. Bye, boy. No. You of course need me. But now, so using these three names, we're going to create a pattern. The pattern is cake, tiramisu, cake. That's the pattern number 1. Okay. So cake, tiramisu, cake. Now, what is cake? Cake, tiramisu, cake. Can we all do it together? Let's go. Cake, tiramisu, cake. Done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now, the pattern number 2 is where it's a little tricky. Now, pattern number 2 is waffles, tiramisu, cake. Yeah, so what is waffles? I'm going to do it twice, okay? One with the snap pattern, the other one with this pattern, okay? So, waffles, tiramisu, cake. Got it? Keep practicing this, guys. Until that time, the other people are doing this. Let's do that. So, waffles, tiramisu, cake. So, from the beginning, it goes like cake, tiramisu, cake. Waffles, tiramisu, cake. Let's do it a little faster. And this I did with the snap, but now when I do it fast, I'm going to use to do it, okay? Let's go. 1, 2, let's go. Cake, tiramisu, cake. Waffles, tiramisu, cake. Okay? Now, whoever is snapping, snap. Whoever's doing this, do it. We're going to do it twice and we're going to go a little faster. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, let's go. Cake, tiramisu, cake. Waffles, tiramisu, cake. Again, cake, tiramisu, cake. Waffles, tiramisu, cake. Lovely. That was brilliant. Now, what we are going to do is, this is the last part of it, and this is where everyone gets to be cool. So, what we are going to do is, instead of using the words to speak it out loud, we're going to be using our brains where we keep speaking, but we do these actions without saying it out loud. Okay? So, if you're doing, yeah, so you see what I did there? It sounds cool and I don't even speak the words. So, let's do it, okay? So you keep doing whatever we just practiced without using your words. Even I'm not speaking. I'll just say the first cake so you get an idea. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, let's go. Cake. One more time. Cake. Lovely. Amazing. For people who find this to be super easy, what you can do is there are 2 waffles. Do one waffle as this, the other as this. So waffle, waffle, tiramisu cake. Or to add up and spice up the challenge, I'm gonna give you another action. The action is waffles. So you go waffles. So elbows, elbows, and then ulta clap, reverse clap. So waffles and then tiramisu cake. Everything else remains the same. Now, this is difficult because to get the sound right and in sync is where you would be required. That's where the challenge is. And to be able to do that in rhythm on the beat with all the other cake and waffles and everything else. So let's do this one time, okay? So let's go. Cake, cake, tiramisu cake, waffles, waffles, tiramisu cake. Or cake, cake, tiramisu cake, waffles, waffles, tiramisu cake. Let's do a little faster than the last time, okay? Let's go. 1, 2, let's go. Oh, you don't have to do it so fast, but yeah.